So let's install Windows Server 2022 in the VirtualBox. So how we do that? So I have installed the latest virtual version of VirtualBox, and if you see, it look like this. So yes, now I want to add multiple operating system in this VirtualBox. So we are starting with Windows Server 2022. Now, to do that, first of all, we need the ISO file of Windows Server 2022. So go to Google and just write Windows Server 2022 ISO. Right? Just click on ISO. It is going to download, and you will see, make sure you're going to this evaluation center page. Once you go to this evaluation center, here you have to click on this ISO part. You have to click here to get into the downloads, right? So here, just click here, and the ISO file will be downloaded. So I have already downloaded the ISO file. It might take some time, right? So make sure you're installing it in the correct path. So I have installed it in my D drive. So basically, that's how it is. Now, once you've installed this Windows Server ISO file, then let's go to the VirtualBox. Now, in VirtualBox, we have new. So here, Server 2022. Any name you want to give, you can give. The path is totally depend on you. I'm not going to change it, but here the ISO image you have to put. So you just have to select that ISO image that you have installed. All right. And the distributed proceed with just click unclicked on this and then just click on the finish. If you want to change the specific hard disk, you can do that. Since it's one, so I'm going to number of CPUs should be 8. Other than that, I'm not going to change anything. Now, so as soon as you clicked finish, this server, the name that you have given, is going to appear in server 2022. So how to click on it, how to start it, you can click on the start button and it automatically pop up. It will take some time to pop up. So this will look like this. Let me maximize it so that you can see. So as soon as you click on start, a pop-up like this will appear. Let it do. It will take some time to load the file and then install it. So after some time, a pop-up like this will appear. So just click on next and click on install. So it will take some time to install. Make sure. Right. So this pop-up will appear. So in this pop-up, you just need to select on the desktop experience, right? Make sure. Otherwise, if you're selecting the standard, it's just a command prompt. The interface is not good. So it will give you the desktop experience. So click on next. Accept the software license. Next. Now here you have to click on install Microsoft Server operating system, right? So the pop-up will appear automatically. You just have to click next, next, next. So depending on the internet speed or depending on basically your configuration, right? It will take some time. Let me pause it and I will resume once it's done. So it will take some time to install. So it will still install. Once it's done, then the next pop-up will appear. So you have to be a bit patient while doing this. So then it will automatically process. You don't have to do anything. It automatically open everything for you. You just have to wait. And also it will take some time to get started. It's loading Windows Server. So it might take some time depending on your system. So it will load. So after some time, a pop-up like this will appear. So that is basically he's asking for the username and password. So the password is this. Any password that is big enough, make that. It will not accept 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this. So try to have multiple password. It could be any password, right? So then click on finish. That's it. It's done. So depending on your machine configuration, it will take that much time. Now you have to log in to the server. So first go to input. Here you will find keyboards, and here insert into Alt Control Delete. So once you do that, we'll ask you the password that you just have put. So put that. See, this is your Windows Server 2022, right? So it's still loading. So let it load fully. So it's asking, allow your PC to discover with other PCs. So just click on no, but not public one. So just click no. That's it. Make sure if you're installing this and you're finding it, your system is crashing, uninstall it, because it required a huge amount of space. It occupies huge space in the memory, and a good configuration system can only work with this. Okay, so just cross this, and the server look like this. So the server manager is basically the Active Directory that you use. These are local servers, right? And these are all servers. And you can manage the servers, add the different roles, anything you can do. Okay. Now, if you want to close this, you can directly close this also by just clicking on this, right? And eventually, you just can do right click here, stop, power off. It automatically gonna close. Okay. So thank you so much.